Assalamualaikum. In this video, I would demonstrate the connections of hands-free. Now, what usually happens is that a hand-free, when cut apart, has either 3 or 2 or 4 connections. Currently, the hand-free that I have cut off has the 4 connections that you can easily see. That 4 connections it has, and the color coding is blue, golden, red and green. Usually if mic is absent for the handfrees that do not contain mic, the one connection or the one wire is absent, so there will be 2 wires for both speakers of the handfree and one the ground. And it can also happen that if the handfrees only contain 2 wires, then one will be ground and the other will be for both speakers, for powering both speakers. For good quality or in good quality handfrees, there are usually 2 separate wires for speakers. Now we will check that which of these is for speakers and which of these is for mic. Usually the golden wire, or mostly yellow, I think, wire is ground. So one confusion is settled here. Now we have to check the other 3 wires that are blue, green and red. So let's check. What I have done is I have put the hand free, the cut one, and connected it with the phone, and now I'm going to play some music there. And I also have a separate speaker to check the pins which are for speakers. So what will I do? That I will connect one of it, either the red one or the black one, with the ground, and the second I will connect one by one with the other 3 wires. So I have connected the black wire with the golden wire and the red wire with the red wire of the handfree, and the speaker is running. It means that the red wire is off speaker. Now I have connected the blue wire among the 4 one with the speaker, and still speaker is sounding. It means the red and blue wire is for speakers. Then the third wire absolutely will be of mic. One thing I forgot to tell you is that the wire used in the handfrees are not easily connected. It has the insulated material upon it, which has to be removed first if you have to connect it somewhere. So for that purpose you can either use matchstick or any heated or I have used matchstick for the particular purpose, but you can either iron it or solder it to remove the covering. If the upper insulation is removed, then the connections are done, otherwise these cannot be connected in anywhere. So what I conclude is the golden wire in the handfree is ground, red is for speaker, blue is also for speaker, and the green one is for mic. And one more thing, that as you are seeing that the handfree's input terminal or jack input is divided into 4 parts. So the topmost is for first speaker, Then the next one for next speaker, the third one is for ground, this one, and the last one is for speaker. For mic case, the green one is for mic, red and blue one for speakers, and golden is ground. But it can also differ in some handsfrees. The particular handsfree is of Samsung. There might be different somewhere, so you can easily check it this way.